Are you looking for meme sound effects like this? Make sure that you watch till the end. First of all, just go to Google and search for mindset.com and then click the first website link that you see. After that, you can now see a bunch of meme sound effects that will make your content more engaging. Oh wait, you don't know how to download this sound effect. I got you. Just click on the name of the sound effect that you want to download and then click on download mp3, and you can use now that to your timeline easily. So my question to you is, will you use these sound effects for your YouTube videos or for another platform?